wishing you a very happy birthday and all the health and happiness in the world. And may God bring all your wishes to come true. And yeah, you always be healthy and happy. And I've never done this before because I sing very, very badly. But I'm going to do this specially for you. So, तुम पास आए, यूं मुस्कुराए, तुमने न जाने क्या सपने दिखाए, अब तो मेरा दिल जागे न सोता है, क्या करूँ हाय, कुछ कुछ होता है. So sorry, I do this very badly, but especially for you. You're the only person I do this song actually for. Lots and lots of love for you, and God bless you, and always be happy, and have a very, very happy birthday. Thank you.
तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000 हो. तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000. तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000.
प्यारी निशु, अपनी छोटी सी बहन, सबसे छोटी बहन की 70th बर्थडे पे अपने बचपन की यादों को ताज़े करते हुए एक छोटी सी कविता तुम्हारे लिए. एक बचपन का ज़माना था जिसमें खुशियों का खजाना था. चाहत चांद को पाने की थी, पर दिल तितली का दीवाना था. खबर न थी कुछ सुबह की, न शाम का ठिकाना था. थक हार कर स्कूल से आना, पर खेलने भी जाना था. अम्मा की कहानियाँ थी, परियों का फसाना था. बारिश में कागज़ की किश्ती थी, हर मौसम सुहाना था. हर खेल में साथी थे, हर रिश्ता निभाना था. गम की जुबान न होती थी, न जख्मों का पैमाना था. रोने की वजह न थी, न हंसने का कोई बहाना था. ऐसे 70 साल निशु तुम्हारे कहाँ निकल गए, पता ही नहीं चले हम लोगों को. हम लोगों का बहुत बहुत सारा प्यार और शुभकामनाएं तुम्हारे खूब अच्छे और स्वस्थ जीवन के लिए. भगवान करे तुम शताब्दी मनाओ अपनी.
Dearest Nishu, on your landmark 70th birthday, an event worthy of glorious celebrations for 7 decades of life filled with love and laughter. God bless you for plenty more yet to come.
Hi Nishu, I hope you're having a great day today. Happy birthday. All the very best for good health and happiness. It's a big one. It's your special day, and have a great fun with all your family, friends and the dear ones. Cheers.
गोरे हाथों में मेहंदी रचा के, नैनों में गजरा डाल के, चलो दुल्हनिया पिया से मिलने. छोटा सा घूंघट निकाल के, छोटा सा घूंघट निकाल के. गोरे गोरे हाथों में मेहंदी रचा के, नैनों में गजरा डाल के, चलो दुल्हनिया पिया से मिलने. छोटा सा घूंघट निकाल के, छोटा सा घूंघट निकाल के.
Hey Mrs. Charan, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, wishing you happiness and joy always. You've always been an amazing teacher and you only deserve the best. Thank you so much for being in our lives. Love you. Miss you.
Sabu the fish.
Happy birthday, Mrs. Charan. I'm so excited to be a part of these birthday messages. You have been a very important person in my life. You and Mrs. Irani gave my parents the confidence that I would be okay in Mary's, and that was a really big deal for both of them as well as me, of course. I'd like to tell you a little story because they always tell me about you. So, when I was in your class in nursery B, my sister was born, and somehow I became really distracted and moody. And you made them aware of it in the parent-teacher meeting. It always amuses me how you realized the differences in the behavior of one child when you had so many children to cater to. I hope I become half as kind, half as considerate, and half as happy a person that you are. Have the best day ever, and I'm sure you'll have a better year ahead. Love you the most.
Hello Mrs. Charan, wish you a very happy birthday. I'm so glad I have this opportunity to tell you how important you are to me and how much you mean to me. And there are some memories of school that are so fond to me, and being in your class is one of them. I remember being a part of the Mother Goose concert, which was so appreciated by Mrs. Matthew. And I'm so happy I was a part of that. A few years back, I was a teacher myself, and I remember when I became a teacher, I thought that I wanted to be the teacher that Mrs. Charan was to me, to make each child in her class feel loved and feel special. And I'm so thankful that I could have you as a teacher. And on this day, I wish you the best of health and happiness and all the love in the world. Thank you so much, Mrs. Charan. Love you.
Hi Mrs. Charan, happy birthday. I'm so happy to be a part of this. You've been the embodiment of kindness, generosity, and being the most genuine person ever. Thinking of Nursery B always brings such a wide smile to my face and warmth in my heart. Thank you for all the beautiful times we've had, the memories we've made, and here's wishing you all the health and happiness in the years to come. Love you.
Hi Mrs. Charan, happy birthday. I just wanted to tell you that I have really fond memories of your Nursery B class, especially of me being Little Boy Blue in the concert and my 4th birthday. My mom always tells me that you gave all of us little cards after we graduated from your class, and I just wanted to say that's the sweetest thing anyone's ever done. And all of the things that you taught us when we were in nursery 20 years ago, I still use that today, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for everything. I love you and I miss you, and I hope I'll see you soon.
Hi Mrs. Charan, happy 70th birthday. The way I look at it, you're 70 years young today. I really miss you and miss our Nursery B class and all the special teachings, especially the cyclic menu for the week that we had for food, where thanks to you and Mrs. Hansa, I thoroughly enjoy bhindi so much to an extent that now I can't eat it as much. But lots of love to you. Keep your spirit strong, and we all love you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे निशा। अब तुम आज से मुस्कुराती रहोगी। हमें तो मुस्कुराना सिखाया है हमेशा, लेकिन आज से तुम भी मुस्कुराओगी। मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे।
निशा, 70वें जन्मदिन की बहुत शुभकामनाएं। पिछले कुछ साल काफी उथल पुथल वाले रहे हैं, लेकिन हमारी यही प्रार्थना है और यही विश्वास है कि अब आने वाले साल बहुत खुशियों से भरे रहेंगे और सारे परिवार को खुशियां रहेंगी। तुम सबको खुशियां बांटोगी। अभी तक तो तुम सबको टेंशन देती रही हो, अब तुम सबको खुशियां बांटना।
Mrs. C, the 70-year-old with the heart of a 7-year-old. Happy birthday. Stay young, stay happy, lots of love. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Usha. Happy birthday to you. May you live to be 100. May you live to be 100. May you live to be 100 and 100 after that. Do you know that the Chinese and the Japanese live till 130 and 140? Why? Because they eat herbs. So Usha, please check out all those medicines of yours and like a goat, start eating grass and herbs. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mrs. Charan. Happy 70th birthday. Hope that all your wishes come true. And I would always wish for your good health, nothing more. God has bestowed to you everything. Very good children. A lovely son-in-law. And a handsome, very lovely husband too. So what do you want more? Is good health. That is all I wish for you on this 70th birthday. I will always be very grateful to you, as you were the first person to recognize my talent for teaching. And you sent that first tuition to my house. And I don't know how, but it helped me all through the years of my life. And you have been a great source of inspiration. You have been so helpful. You have been, you have that, आपको हम झगड़ा भी कर सकते हैं, हम बेहद प्यार कर सकते हैं, और हम हंस सकते हैं, हम रो सकते हैं साथ में. आपके जैसा दोस्त किसी को भी मिले तो I think they are really blessed. And we all love you so much, Miss. I know I keep on telling you Miss, but I can't help it. It has been मेरी जो आदत ही बन गई है. And I love you, Mrs. Charan, forever and ever. And I always hope that you're always happy.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Happy 70th. But you know what? 70 is the new 30. So that makes me negative 40, I think. Yeah, something like that. Anyway, but age is just a number. So let's put that aside. I wish you a wonderful, wonderful day and a very special birthday. And of course, whilst this is one kind of celebration, the in-person face-to-face celebrations are also in order. Once this whole thing blows over and everybody's able to travel and all again, I'm sure we'll meet soon. And I just wanted to say that I've known you now for a few months and I feel the love and I love you back a lot. And I can't wait to see you. And also, don't forget our pact that if I ever need help, and if I'm ever in trouble and I need help, then I will definitely call you. And this is pertaining to a certain person. So I think you know who I'm talking about. Wink.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Auntie. Happy birthday to you. 祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。
Happy 70th birthday auntie, और rather happy 7th birthday, क्योंकि आप हो तो पूरे बच्चे, वैसी जिद करते हो, वैसी आदतें हैं, तो मज़ा आता है। लेकिन तभी तो आपके साथ मम्मी जैसी फीलिंग तो कभी आती ही नहीं है, सना जैसी ज़्यादा फीलिंग आती है। आंटी, I hope you just get younger and younger every day. I know your body is not keeping up, but I am sure it will start keeping up. And I hope you continue to be my creative guru. I know you will be. आप अपने हाथ के फ्रैक्चर के साथ भी इतने अच्छे अच्छे कार्ड्स बना लेते हैं, तो I will continue to seek inspiration from you. Don't disappoint me. You were always and will always remain my teacher. Love you, auntie. Have a wonderful, wonderful birthday.
Final take.
Hello, auntie. Wishing you a very happy 70th birthday. Oops, 7th birthday, auntie. Zero has no value.
Happy birthday, auntie. Wishing you a very, very happy 70th birthday. Happy birthday to the Queen of Samosas, the Queen of Hearts, and the Queen of Cards. Look forward to playing with you soon. Enjoy.
Enjoy, auntie.
Dear Usha Shara, time flies by and it has been a long time since I last saw you. I do miss your visits to Singapore and I do hope this message finds you well. I'm here to wish you happy birthday, and I have someone else with me to also wish you happy birthday.
Feliz aniversário, Dona Usha Charan.
Bye.
Happy birthday, auntie.
Happy birthday, auntie. What we adore in you is the child in you, which becomes childish sometimes, but we enjoy that and we love the simplicity in you. We love you. Please, please take good care of your health and can't wait to see you again in Singapore. Love you. Bye.
And have lots of chocolates. Bye bye.
Hi, auntie. How are you doing? We're just popping in to wish you a very happy birthday. I hope you have a great year ahead and your birthday gets rid of all the coronavirus all over, and hopefully you'll be in Singapore soon and we can celebrate like we did last year. Hope to see you soon.
Bye, auntie. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hi, auntie.
Happy
birthday from your extended family here in Bangalore.
Have a wonderful year ahead.
And auntie, one thing you gave me as an assignment to do, but I think Abhinav is eminently capable of doing it by himself, finding a girl for him. So, have a happy birthday again, and we look forward to meeting you when everything becomes normal. Take care.
Hi, auntie. Happy birthday. I wish I could be there to say happy birthday and give you a big hug, but I guess this will have to do. Sending you so much love and many virtual hugs and kisses. I also thought I should read you a poem. This is called Counting Backwards by Linda Pastan. How did I get so old, I wonder, contemplating my 67th birthday? Dyslexia smiles. I'm 76, in fact. There are places where at 60, they start counting backwards. In Japan, they start again from 1. But the numbers hardly matter. It's the physics of acceleration I mind. The way time speeds up, as if it hasn't guessed the destination. Where look, I see my mother and father bearing a cake, waiting for me at the starting line. Happy birthday, auntie. Sending lots of love. Take care. Have a great day.
Wish you a happy 70th birthday, auntie. When all of this opens up, we hope to celebrate with you. It's been wonderful knowing you and wonderful interacting with you. You always make me laugh.
Have a happy birthday, and always remember, the wife is always right, as my t-shirt says. So have a great birthday and enjoy yourself.
Hi, auntie. Just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday all the way from California. Sorry, none of us can be there with you right now, but we are all there with you in spirit. Sending you lots of love and positive energy on this milestone birthday. Have a nice day.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, नाम हमारा होता गबलू बबलू, खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Happy birthday to you.
कोई लाता गुड़िया मोटर रेस तो कोई लाता फिरकी लट्टू, कोई चाबी का टट्टू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Happy birthday to you. कितनी प्यारी होती है भोली सी उम्र,
ना नौकरी की चिंता ना रोटी की फिकर,
नन्हे मुन्ने होते हम तो देते सहूकर,
पीछे फिरते डैडी मम्मी बनके नौकर, चॉकलेट बिस्कुट टॉफी खाते और पीते दूध और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Happy birthday to you.
हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, नाम हमारा होता गबलू बबलू, खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Happy birthday to you.
कैसे कैसे नखरे करते घर वालों से हम,
पल में हंसते पल में रोते, करते नाक में दम,
अक्कड़ बक्कड़ लुक्का छुपी कभी छुआ छू,
करते दिन भर हल्ला गुल्ला दंगा और धम,
और कभी जिद पर अड़ जाते जैसे अड़ियल टट्टू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Happy birthday to you.
हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, नाम हमारा होता गबलू बबलू, खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Happy birthday to you.
I'm to your gulam. I'm your dasi. I'm your dasi. पैरों की दासी।
हम तो भाई जैसे हैं वैसे रहेंगे, हम तो भाई जैसे हैं वैसे रहेंगे, अब कोई खुश हो या हो खफा, हम नहीं बदलेंगे अपनी अदा, समझे न समझे कोई हम यही कहेंगे, हम तो भाई जैसे हैं वैसे रहेंगे, हम तो
I can't even explain. Straw hat है कोई लगा? फोटो ले रहा है?
वीडियो
Student, अच्छा कर मम्मा, मम्मा, can you please pass my sunglasses?
I know.
जन्म देती है जो माँ जिसे जग कहे, अपनी संतान में प्राण जिसके रहे। लोरियां होठों पर सपने बुनती नजर, नींद जो वार दे हंस के हर दुख सहे। ममता के रूप में है प्रभु, आपसे पाया वरदान है। धरती पे रूप माँ बाप का, उस विधाता की पहचान है। ये तो सच है कि भगवान है। आपके ख्वाब हम आज होकर जवां, उस परम शक्ति से करते हैं प्रार्थना। इनकी छाया रहे रहती दुनिया तलक, एक पल रह सके हम न जिनके बिना। आप दोनों सलामत रहे, सबके दिल में ये अरमान है। धरती पे रूप माँ बाप का, उस विधाता की पहचान है।
Hello, Mommy, 70th happy birthday. Oh, sorry, actually 7th happy birthday is very difficult to tell. It's so much fun to have you for so many years. I have only known you for 20. I wish you known you for longer. You have given me so much love and happiness over the years. But it's no fun without any teasing and a little bit of harassment, which you say I do, but actually that is not. That is how you are. Full of fun, bundle of love, joy, happiness that you have given to us over the years. You are my real mom over the years and given me the real guidance that has come. I forgot to tell you, I met you meet Shah Rukh Khan and you have not yet given me my watch. I'm going to remember that in all your years to come. I'm still waiting. Next time, no Shah Rukh Khan till I get both my watches. I will take a jadu and hit the Shah Rukh Khan the next time.
Hi Mama, wish you a very 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 happy birthday, and I'm so sorry we could not be there today. You know, if there was any chance we would have just come. I have spent the last few days going through everything that so many people have spoken about you, and I'm overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed that I'm the daughter of a person like that. You're simply phenomenal. You know that, right? I fight with you all the time. I will continue to do so. That's not going to stop, right? Yeah. But today I wanted to tell you how much you mean to me. I don't think I could have gone through the last few years of my life without you. You encourage me, you support me. You know something is wrong with me even before I know it. I can never hide anything from you. You've built this family. You've kept us all together. I haven't written this out, so I'm just thinking as I'm going. You have so much strength inside you, you know. You may not know that, but we can all see it. You know how to pick yourself up after everything and keep going, and you've taught that to us. You also have a very long memory. I don't think I'm ever going to stop hearing about that thumbs up incident anytime soon, am I? But that's okay, you know. I hear people say that women turn into their mother, and I hear women say that they are so scared about turning into their mother, and the first time someone tells them that you've turned into your mother, they get really shocked. But it would be my privilege if I could turn into you. I don't know. I don't think it'll ever happen because you're so special.
You're incredible. But if I can even become half the person you are, I would consider myself blessed. Wish you a very, 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 very happy birthday, Mamu.
Muli, happy birthday. How old are you today? 20? I think so. Really sorry that I cannot be there today. You know, if there was any way, I would have been there. I really miss you a lot, especially today. I hope you are having a great day, and we will try and make it even better virtually. But I wanted to say some things about my naughtiest child of the family. When I think of you, a few things come to my mind are unconditional love. मैं कुछ भी करूँ, however naughty I am, however I irritate you, you will always keep loving me. You are truly my, second thing is you are truly my guardian angel. You will always look out for me. You will continue to. You will try and protect me from everything. And the third and most important, you are my best friend. I am blessed to have you as my mother, my friend. The only times I don't like you as a friend is when you're kicking my ass in Ludo or Teen Patti or poker. But yeah, these three things come to the top of my mind. Really love you and miss you. Wish you a very, very happy birthday once again. Oh yeah, by the way, if you haven't noticed, you see something different. I shaved for you today.
अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त।